Have you ever thought that you can flip houses with just $100? Imagine turning a modest investment into a lucrative real estate venture. Well, that's exactly what I did, and today I'm going to share the thrilling journey with you. From humble beginnings to extraordinary success, join me as I unveil the strategies, challenges, and triumphs of my unconventional path to financial freedom. Get ready to be inspired, motivated, and empowered to pursue your own dreams of passive income and wealth building. So let's get started. Part 1. The Seed of Inspiration. You know, it all started with a simple idea, a spark fueled by my desire for financial freedom and my passion for real estate. As a YouTube finance creator, I was well versed in personal finance and passive income. Yet, the allure of real estate investing beckoned, promising lucrative returns and the chance to secure my financial future. I couldn't resist the opportunity to delve into the world of property investment. Armed with my finance knowledge and a keen eye for potential, I took the plunge. And let me tell you, it's been quite the journey, full of challenges and triumphs. But through it all, one thing remained clear. Real estate investing was my path to financial independence and long-term wealth building. Part 2. Setting the stage. With a mere $100 and a burning desire for success, I ventured into the world of house flipping. Many doubted the feasibility of starting a real estate venture with so little, but I embraced it as a challenge. It was an opportunity to demonstrate that determination and resourcefulness can triumph over limitations. Despite facing obstacles and setbacks, I persisted, viewing each challenge as a chance to innovate and grow. Through perseverance and a willingness to learn, I navigated the complexities of the market, gaining invaluable experience that would ultimately lead to success. Before we dive deeper into this incredible journey, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know if you've ever considered flipping houses or if you have any questions about getting started. Your thoughts and questions are what keep this conversation going, so don't hesitate to share. Part 3. Navigating the financial landscape. You might be curious, how did I pull off flipping houses with just $100? The answer lies in leveraging resources. I tapped into creative financing methods, stretching my limited funds to their fullest potential. Whether it was securing private loans or teaming up with investors, I left no stone unturned in pursuing my aspirations. It wasn't easy, but I was determined to make it work. Every obstacle was a chance to innovate and find solutions. Through persistence and strategic planning, I turned my dreams into reality, proving that with the right approach, even the most daunting challenges can be overcome. Armed with ambition and hunger for success, I took the plunge into the realm of house flipping. Despite having only $100 to my name, I saw it as a challenge to prove that with ingenuity and resourcefulness, anything is possible. It was about thinking outside the box and finding creative ways to make my limited funds go further. And let me tell you, it paid off in ways I never imagined. So if you're facing a similar situation, remember, where there's a will, there's a way. It's all about being resilient, adaptable, and willing to seize opportunities when they arise. Part 4. Taking the plunge. With my financial ducks in a row and a clear roadmap ahead, I was itching to get started. I delved into local listings, frequented foreclosure auctions, and mingled with fellow real estate enthusiasts, all in the hunt for the ideal flip-worthy property. Then, like a stroke of luck, I stumbled upon a diamond in the rough, brimming with potential. I felt like fate had intervened, guiding me towards this golden opportunity. And with excitement coursing through my veins, I was ready to roll up my sleeves and breathe life into this hidden treasure, knowing that with dedication and hard work, it could blossom into something truly remarkable. Part 5. The $100 Miracle. Believe it or not, I landed my first property for just $100. How? Well, it was a mix of luck and knowing how to negotiate. I used my limited funds as a down payment and made an offer that convinced the seller to go for it. It just proves that with some creativity, even tough situations can lead to great opportunities. This whole experience taught me the value of thinking outside the box and grabbing every chance to get into the real estate world. So if you ever find yourself in a tight spot, remember to keep your eyes open for those hidden gems. You never know what amazing deals might come your way with a little bit of hustle and determination. Part 6. Sweet equity and smart investments. Now, let me tell you about the real game changer. Once I had the keys to my new property and a clear vision of its potential, I wasted no time getting down to business. It was all about rolling up my sleeves and putting in the hard work. Every decision I made, from small cosmetic touches to strategic investments, was aimed at boosting the property's value and profitability. Whether it meant sprucing up the exterior or making smart upgrades inside, I was fully committed to bringing my vision to life. And let me tell you, seeing those transformations take shape was nothing short of exhilarating. Part 7. Flipping for Success. Let's fast forward a bit. After putting in months of hard work, the results started to show. With the property fully revamped and expertly staged, it was time to put it up for sale. And let me tell you, the response was beyond anything I could have imagined. Within days of listing it, offers started flooding in, each one exceeding my wildest dreams. It was a testament to the power of perseverance and strategic thinking. By pouring my heart and soul into every aspect of the renovation process, I was able to create a space that resonated with potential buyers. From the stylish decor to the attention to detail in every corner, the property stood out in a crowded market. But perhaps the most rewarding part was seeing the financial returns. What had started as a humble $100 investment had now blossomed into a lucrative profit. It was a validation of all the late nights and early mornings spent tirelessly working on the project. In the end, flipping houses with just $100 was more than just a financial endeavor. It was a journey of self-discovery and growth. It taught me valuable lessons about resilience, resourcefulness, and the limitless potential that lies within each of us. Part 8. Lessons learned and looking ahead. Looking back on my path from a $100 idea to a thriving real estate portfolio, I can't help but think about all the lessons I picked up along the way. Each step taught me something valuable. From getting creative with financing to putting in the sweat equity, every experience has shaped me into the investor I am today. Now, when I think about what's next, I feel a rush of excitement. I'm eager to see where my real estate journey takes me next. It's a journey driven by passion, persistence, and the unwavering belief that as long as you're determined, there's no limit to what you can achieve. And you know what? That's a lesson worth sharing. Whether you're just starting out or you're already knee-deep in the real estate game, remember this: every setback is a lesson, and every challenge is an opportunity in disguise. So keep pushing forward, keep dreaming big, and who knows, maybe one day you'll look back and marvel at how far you've come. As we come to the end, I want to give a huge shout out to you for sticking with me through this roller coaster ride from a measly $100 bill to a booming real estate empire. Remember, in the game of flipping houses, it's all about thinking outside the box and never giving up, no matter how small your starting point. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to smash that like button, share it with your pals, and hit subscribe for more awesome content on personal finance and real estate hacks. And hey, don't wander too far. Our next video is cooking up some more juicy tips on how to build passive income streams. Catch you on the flip side.